Right, so I bought this because these clips are the same on a Mini, and they're always an absolute pain to get in. They're really awkward. So what I've got is I bought this. I'll give you a little tip now as well. If you go on eBay and search for them, I think it's Mini Mine I bought it from. I bought one which is actually from Mini, and it was like £10 and 12 pence or something. If you go on any of the MGB, if you search for it for an MGB, it is literally double the price. And at the end of the day, it's only like a conical piece there with a bit of tube. So what you do is you screw that into where the brake pipe would go, and then we'll pop the clip on there like so. And then all we have to do, I've already done the other side by the way, because I hadn't used it before, so I thought I'd familiarise myself with how it worked and whether it is going to be any good or not. As you can see, it just gently forces it along there. Until it clips in, so that, and then we can just unscrew that, and then hopefully it's in there. As you can see now, it's in behind that, it's all clipped in there nicely.